Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Thursday, November 2nd, 2017. Well, folks, we got some great scalp winners in the chat room today. And again, I want to go over the trades we took, why we took them, help you get educated on the subject of making winning trades. Today in the morning chat, which is basically from 9:30 in the morning when the markets open East Coast time to 11:30, so it's a 2-hour span, we had 3 winning trades, 3 for 3, no losers. We have it pegged down. The methodology that we use allows us to nail these trades. All right, first off, you could see right here we had this big flush on the spiders. We came right down to what we call a gap window. It's a common term overall. This is a little pivot low from the gap up on, basically, I guess that was last Friday. And sure enough, what happens right there? The market gets a bounce. We bought right here. We bought at 256.20. The low of the day, 256.19, meaning we got and we knew to buy right here at the lows of the day. The market only went 1 penny lower on the day. Look at the rally that's taken place from that level. And again, it's a buy the dip mentality market, so you're looking to buy pullbacks until proven otherwise. All right, and that again is very common sense. As long as it's working, don't try to reinvent the wheel, right? Markets are bouncing every sell-off into key technical support. Buy it. Buy it at this point until it doesn't work. The next trade we took was on Tesla today. Tesla was a beautiful one here. We bought right here at the lows on the intraday. I'm going to show you right now if we flip over to the daily chart what we did. All right, so basically there's a bunch of support. So see how you had this big green candle and then you had kind of another candle up, but then you pulled back, then you went up, then you kind of paused, creating a little bit of a pivot low here. It also pivot low right here. So this level here, very clear, and also the close. So you have a tail here, but the close of the candle right here as well. Take a trend line and essentially put it right through that level right there. So through these lows, through this low, through this closing basis here, kissed here, drag it right across. That was the spot right there. All right, we ended up picking up Tesla at 293.27, 293.27. We made $2 on the bounce. It snapped back beautifully. If we go to the intraday here, folks, let's go back to the intraday, and you can see, look at the bounce. So right here is where we bought it, right down here at the lows. Right there is 293.27. And sure enough, look at the bounce that took place. We took $2 profit on this trade, which, by the way, even if you just did 200 shares, you made $400, and that's a small position. Most people in the chat are doing probably 500 shares or so right at that level. Made a quick G note right there. By the way, the average member today, based on what their comments were to me, about $2,500 on those 3 trades. $2,500 in profits on these 3 trades. The last trade we did, TPX, Tempur Sealy, down ugly on earnings. We had a very key buy level right here at the lows, folks. Let me go to the daily chart, show you where I came up with that. First off, the daily 200 moving average is right there, so that gives you the confidence that there's going to be a lot of support there. And then you have a major level right down here. Take a look. See this little pivot high right here? And same general principle. You had consolidation, dip. Then you came up and you hit this level, and then you finally broke out, and then that's where the big up move started. You always want to reverse back to where the breakout was. Wherever you broke out previously, which was right here, very clearly right here. All right, see how we went up from that point on? Here before, we were up here, and then we pulled back. But here, it's just pretty much straight up. That means that any pullback to that level is going to be a support level. You add that trend line in with the 200 moving average, it becomes a no-brainer major support point that should be bought. We played it as an intraday trade. We made $1 off of it, another dollar winner right there. I mean, these are dollars, folks. $2 on Tesla, $1 on TPX here, Tempur Sealy. This is how it's done. And again, the average member doing about 1,000 shares of that right there. Great score on Tempur Sealy TPX. So again, folks, bottom line is the chat room is killing it. Come to InTheMoneyStocks.com. There's a 7-day free trial. 7-day free trial. The money being generated in the chat room is bar none blockbuster money. All right, blockbuster money at this point in time. The market, again, isn't even that active. You're just getting blips on the screen of volatility. You get more active markets, you're going to get 5, 10 trades a day. Right now, just in the first couple hours of the day, we took 3 winners. And again, the key is the amount of winners, right? I mean, it's finding the levels, the high success rate trades, taking them, profiting, and then moving aside. There's no reason to always be in a trade. Those people lose money. You can just sit back, wait patiently, let the market come to you. That's what we like to do here at themoneystocks.com. I encourage you to get involved. Come take the 7-day free trial. Start making money, folks. 2,500 today. The other day we had 3 winners. Yesterday we had 2 winners. I mean, they're just constantly pummeling our members here at themoneystocks.com with cash and winners. Come join us. Talk to you soon.